Welcome, little ones, to the Happy Kid channel. I'm so glad you could join us today. We're going to share a special story called The Wise Little Lambs. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's get started. In a tranquil farm nestled within a lush countryside, there resided a caring mother sheep and her 7 adorable lamb siblings. One sunny day, Mother Sheep had to leave the meadow for a short while. Before departing, she gathered her little lambs and gave them an important task, to protect their home and never open the gate for anyone, especially strangers. As Mother Sheep ventured away, a cunning wolf, known for his trickery, saw an opportunity to satisfy his hunger. He approached the meadow, eyes gleaming with mischief, and decided to test his wits against the young lambs. The wolf concealed himself behind a tree and imitated Mother Sheep's soothing voice, calling out to the lambs, "Open up, my dear lambs. It's your mother. I've returned." The clever little lambs, however, were not so easily fooled. They stood by the fence and called out, "Come out, Mr. Wolf." They wanted the wolf to reveal himself. One of the lambs spoke up, their voice filled with confidence. "We know our mother's voice is always gentle and kind, unlike the sly tone we hear now." The wolf, not one to give up easily, retreated momentarily, disappearing behind the trees. He was determined to find a way to alter his voice and gain access to the meadow. After some time, he reappeared, his voice now softer and more persuasive as he called out, "Open the gate, dear lambs. It's me, your mother. I've brought you some delicious treats." As the trees were too small to completely conceal the wolf's body, one of the observant lambs noticed the wolf's fur, which appeared gray. The vigilant lamb then pointed out, "Look, I can see the wolf's fur. Our mother has soft and white fur, not this gray coat." Undeterred, the wolf was still determined to deceive the little lambs. He came up with another plan. This time, he placed some tempting food just outside the fence, hoping to lure the lambs out. The aroma of the delicious food wafted towards the meadow, and the hungry lambs noticed it. Their mouths watered as they looked at the tempting treats just beyond the gate. One of the lambs whispered to the others, "Oh, look at those delicious treats. I really want to taste them." But the vigilant lambs remembered their mother's warning. They knew it was risky to open the gate, even for such enticing food. They decided to wait and watch, determined not to fall for the wolf's trick again. Realizing that his tricks were in vain, the wolf reluctantly abandoned his deceitful efforts and slinked away from the meadow. When Mother Sheep returned to her beloved lambs, she found them safe and sound. They recounted the cunning wolf's endeavors to deceive them. Proud of her wise and vigilant lambs, Mother Sheep praised their cleverness and unity. Together, they celebrated their strong family bond and the importance of looking out for one another in the meadow. From that day forward, the little lambs were known throughout the farm as the wise little lambs, admired for their wisdom, unity, and their ability to protect their home from harm. This story teaches us the importance of bravery and unity in the face of adversity, inspiring us to always look out for one another and stand strong together. Thank you for watching, little ones, and joining the journey of the wise little lambs. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Remember, just like the wise little lambs, you too can be brave and wise in facing challenges. Goodbye, little one.